There are many ways to make money in the crypto markets. You can be a trader, you can be a holder or an investor, you can be farming or staking. These are the major ways to make money in the crypto market. But for the sake of this video, I'll be talking about just two, which is the holding or investing and the trading. Traders are people who make money regardless of the direction of the market. Whether the market is going down or going up, traders are always making money. The market is experiencing a bearish trend right now, so traders are currently making money right now. Now, traders are people who have been trained to analyze market directions, whether it's going up, whether it's going down. Once you get your bias right or your direction right, you always make money. It requires skill, it requires patience, it requires hard work, and it's very, very risky and it's very high rewarding. Unlike the holders are people who make money when the market is only in a bullish trend. You don't need much knowledge. All you need to do is have a wallet, whether a decentralized wallet or a centralized wallet. You buy your coin of preference. I recommend BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin because they have stood the test of time. You buy those coins and you keep them. You can buy another coin. It must not be these three I've mentioned. You buy those coins, you keep them in a hardware wallet or in an exchange wallet, and they appreciate over time. Let's say you buy Bitcoin when it was $10,000 and Bitcoin moves to $20,000. You're going to make 100% on your capital. But if it depreciates, maybe you bought at $10,000 and Bitcoin is at $5,000, you've also lost 10%. You've also lost 100% of your capital. So either way it goes, you don't make money or you make a loss. Holding is quite much easy because it doesn't require you to always be on the screen. It doesn't require you to know much. All you just have to do is buy at the right time. So guys, these are the two major ways people make money in the crypto market. So it's now up to you to decide on which one you want to do. If you want to become a trader, just understand that it will take time and it will take work. If you want to become a holder, this is not the right time. The market hasn't really shown real signs that it's about to enter a bullish one. So you just have to be patient. So you just have to be patient and wait until the market enters a bullish one. All you have to do is just buy coin of your choice and keep it in your wallet. And if the market starts going up, you make profit. What you put determines what you get. If you put $100 and the market moves up by 100%, you make $200. If you put $1,000 and the market moves up 100%, you make $2,000. So that's how it works. If the market also depreciates, you also lose certain amount of money. But the difference between a holder and a trader is that a trader doesn't have any physical asset he's holding, doesn't have any coin he's holding, he's just trading the future direction of the market. But a trader not a trader now, but a holder has the actual coin. Whether the market is going up or going down, if it goes down, he loses the initial value he bought it. But he also has the actual coin. That means when the market eventually turns and moves into a bull run, he's going to make money. So it requires little risk compared to the trader, because the trader doesn't have any coin, he's just trading direction and it's very high risk, like I said earlier. But a holder will make money only when it's going up. When it's going down, he loses money. But he also has his coin. That is to say, if the coin depreciates, maybe let's say you bought at $10,000 and the coin depreciates to $5,000, then to $3,000, you'll be on a loss. But if the market eventually turns and starts moving to $10,000, $20,000, or $5,000, you start making profit. That's just the difference. One requires high risk and one low risk. So start from holding, buy the coin of your choice and hold it in a wallet. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to create account with a Binance exchange where you can buy and hold coin of your choice. So guys, until next time, I wish you good luck.